after claiming a political conspiracy after an attack on Jagan Mohan Reddy, he has tweeted now stating that he is safe. And I'm going to read the portions of that tweet. I'd like to inform you that I'm safe. God's grace and the love and concern and blessings of the people of Andhra Pradesh will protect me. This is addressed to everyone worried about my safety. Such cowardice acts will not dissuade me, but only strengthen my resolve to work for the people of my state. Remember earlier, minutes after this attack on Jagan Mohan Reddy, there was a statement issued by the party calling it a suspected political conspiracy because the person who was allegedly or reportedly behind this attack was already detained by the police, who many would say is close to one of the leaders of the ruling dispensation of Andhra Pradesh. Well, this prima facie looks like a massive security breach as well. But then Jagan Mohan Reddy, after landing safely in Hyderabad, comes out in tweets addressed to the people who are worried about his safety. That's what the tweet reads about. He says that he is safe and sound. But the last portion of the tweet, wherein he calls that attack cowardice act, and that is something which will not dissuade him, but only strengthen his resolve to work for the people of his state of Andhra Pradesh. Well, the story is moving very fast. And again, we take a short breather here. Republic keeps you ahead on all the big stories of the day. Do stay tuned to us.